In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate a percentage of a total column. So we have a column here called sales, and each row, we want to know what is the percentage of all of this. Say we have January through December, all of our sales inputted. What percentage of sales do we have in January? Let's figure that out. Over in the D column, I'm going to hit the equal sign. We're going to first use B2. This is the cell that we want to know. This is the percentage. This is the number of sales. And what is the total? We want to divide this by the sum of B colon B. Hit enter. It's going to ask us to autofill. We can autofill it, and we can look here and see that it is the exact same formula all the way down, except the first number is different, and it gets us this percentage. If your number doesn't look like a percentage, you can format it like a percentage by clicking this format as percentage button. It may look like this, and so just click that button and it'll look like a percentage. If you want to round to the nearest whole percentage, we can actually select all of these cells, and this decrease decimal places button, we can decrease that, and it's going to automatically round it. You can see that even under 1% became 1% here and here. This works if you have an entire column you want to have sales, but let's say we have 2 years here, and you select B2, whichever is the last one, B13. The issue arises when I click and I drag this, when I copy and I paste this all the way down. We see some very funky numbers, 87%, 42%, 52%, here's 100%. Why is that? It's because this would be 13, as it's copy and pasted, it's moving those rows. So if you want to hold this selection of a range, all we need to do is put a $ in front of the 2 and the 30. Hit enter, and now copy paste this all the way down, and we'll see that those numbers or that range does not move as we copy it down to the other cells. If you like this and you want more insights into how to use Google Sheets, subscribe on YouTube at Better Sheets.